Hi, my name is Brandon with SalesPad, and this is a short video on performing the first SalesPad database update. So once you have SalesPad installed, and after the first time you log in, this will be the first screen that you see. This is something that's normally controlled via SalesPad security, but for this initial update it doesn't matter. One thing to note here in the bottom left corner is that you can see the server and database name that we're connecting to. To continue from this screen, just click the next button. And you'll see we have a few checkboxes. The first one is something that you have to check. You have to make sure that you've made a backup and that you would like to continue. Otherwise, this next box or next button will not be available to you. The next checkbox is something that we'll get into a little bit more once you are further along with your SalesPad setup. So for right now, we'll just uncheck that. The credentials that it's wanting down here are your SQL SA username and password. So once you have those entered, you can just click next. And as long as those credentials are correct, the database update will start. And as the update's going, you can see the different database objects that are getting installed to the company database. Once the database update was completed, it will tell you whether or not it was successful. If it was successful, you'll get this message up at the top. If not, if it says not successful, you can scroll down to the bottom and you can see the last database object that the update failed on. If you're familiar enough with SQL, you may be able to troubleshoot this yourself. Otherwise, you can contact SalesPad support via phone at 616-245-1221 or by email at support@salespad.net. Since this was a successful update, we can just click next. But another thing to note here is if you click the view button, it will bring up a prompt for you to save the file. So I just name it salespadupdate.txt. And then I can open that up, and this is the actual SQL that was ran during our SalesPad update. So from here I can just click next and then finish. And now I should be able to log into SalesPad. Thank you for watching this video. We have many more available on our website at www.salespad.net. Thanks.